When I think of Ford Motor Cars in South Africa, I think of the big performance vehicles that they produce. And here I am, the birthplace of some of these amazing muscle cars. Grant Oscom's the CEO of Ford Performance up in Gauteng. Grant, thanks for having us here. We are so excited about seeing what you guys do behind the scenes here.
Yeah.
We've had a sneak peek as we walked in,
Yeah.
some of the pieces that are on display there. But
Yes.
this is the hub of all Ford Performance in South Africa.
Yeah, you know, we are agents for Ford Performance parts.
Yeah.
So we supply everything that's Ford approved and available to the consumer. And we also agents for ROC Performance and RTR vehicles, Vaughan Gitton's company.
Man.
You know, infamous lately for the Mach-E that they've developed with Ford, but for true petrol heads like me, you love the V8, and the big muscle cars and the sound
Purist.
and the noise, and that's what it's all about. Yeah.
Grant, I mean, when you talk about Ford in South Africa, you talk about a family of thousands of people that have become family members to Ford, because everyone in South Africa has a story of a Ford in their family. How have you found the past couple of years in terms of being able to get the latest that people want? Because you know how people are. People know that there's a product coming to market and they are like, I want it now. I need the goods, I have them now.
Well, it's been very challenging. Sure. You know, the last couple of years I think for any business in South Africa.
Yes.
In fact, all around the world.
Globally,
It's been a problem. Shipping's been a problem.
Yeah.
Exchange rates up and down have been huge challenges.
Yes.
So, you know, it's been very challenging, but there's still people that come, you know, we're still upgrading cars.
Yeah.
We're still having days where the Mustang Clubs guys would come and, you know, there's 20, 30 Mustangs that start their engines and run off to a place. It's something about that. It's just in your blood, it's in your veins. The smell, the sound, the feeling you get when these things start up. That's what it's all about ultimately.
I love it. And you get the sense when you walk into the Ford Performance Center that we're at a very special place. We've said a lot. Let's get inside and go and check out some of the amazing work you guys do.
Fantastic.
Come on,
do it.
Join us. Very seldom am I lost for words, but today I am. Listening to that Ford Mustang on the dyno, it was next level. Know one thing, if you're getting a Ford Performance product out of Ford Performance here in Gauteng in South Africa, you are getting the very best of the very best, and it's worth every penny.